Around the world, the waves are constantly rolling. Each wave holds a massive untapped energy, and this renewable energy source the world has barely begun to harness. So our mission at Wavepiston is to transform the ocean waves into sustainable energy and fresh water for communities all around the world. We are at an exciting moment in our journey. We have unique and disruptive technology, and our company has grown into a passionate and international team. We are ready to bring wave energy to the world.
Our system is based on a deep understanding on how offshore technology works, and that experience was utilized in the basic design of the system, which is extremely simple, and it's robust, and it's modular. All these three things are needed if you want a system that actually works offshore.
Our technology is elegantly simple. A 350 meters long string with energy collectors connected like beads on a wire is our wave energy converter. It is a powerful design. You can produce both electricity and drinking water with the waves. In 2024, we reached an important milestone in Wavepistons. At Gran Canaria, we installed our first full-scale demonstration systems together with local crew and vessel operator. The results was really promising, and we are ready for deployment.
While solar and wind have helped a lot, they cannot provide in all the needs of these communities. We need something else. We need wave energy. Wave energy is stable, predictable, and produces when the sun doesn't shine or the wind doesn't blow. Our technology complements the existing renewable energy technologies, giving strength to the energy mix and providing much needed grid stability. That isn't only about innovation. It's about reducing costs, cutting CO2 emissions, and providing fresh water to communities, while also giving back energy security and independency to communities all around the world. Support is strong. Investors, the European Commission, and many Danish and US authorities support us through various programs and partnerships. We're lining up customers all around the world, and the market is ready.
Wavepiston is bringing wave energy to the world. We are moving from the innovation and testing phase to scaling our solution and making it commercially available. Our technology is proven, scalable, based on solid science, and capable of working alone or in combination with offshore wind. And it's disruptive. It's simple, it's low-tech at sea, and it's capable of producing not only green electricity, but also clean drinking water, a scarce resource in many parts of the world. We have the power to make a difference locally and globally. Now's the time to join our mission.